In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Canva. So the first step would be to open up a presentation or whatever custom size project you want to start up. I usually just go with presentation. It's fast, it's quick. So we're going to use some pictures from the Elements tab. However, do keep in mind that this will not work with pictures from the Elements tab. I'm just using these to show you. Make sure to upload your own pictures or download the Elements pictures and re-upload them. So here's picture number 1 and there's picture number 2, and you just want to resize them to whatever size you want. Then go to apps and search, and you want to search for image blender, and there it is. And you can just pick the first one, and then you want to say open, and then you want to make sure you're clicked on the first image and say blend selected image. And then you can just use these to adjust angles. And then you can see on the left here, you have options for linear or radial editing and strength. And that's pretty much all there is to this. After you're done, you can just hit save. And remember, very important, you have to upload your own images. It cannot be the images in the Elements tab like I've done here. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.